Greetings everyone. Today I'll guide you through the process of effortlessly selecting the ideal stepper motor for your equipment. As you land on the home page and begin scrolling, you'll quickly spot the motion control advanced search button. Click on it and you'll find an intuitive stepper motor configurator. Our aim for today is to find a compact stepper motor that meets a minimum holding torque, has a compact frame size, and meets the driver characteristics for a typical bipolar driver with up to 1 amp drive current. Let's start by selecting a two-phase motor and then selecting a bipolar drive scheme. For our application, we need a standard single shaft motor, so let's tick that box. The mechanical design in our application requires a minimum holding torque of 0.75 Newton meters, so let's enter that in the left-hand box next to the holding torque slider. Now let's add about 30%, so 1.0 Newton meters maximum for error to give us a maximum torque needed. We've already set our motor to be bipolar, but let's say our chosen driver delivers 1 amp per phase. We can move the rated current slider down to a maximum of 1 amp, or just type 1 in the right hand box. Okay, we've not selected a motor frame size yet, but you can see that the attribute slider for flange size is automatically adjusted to show that there are 42mm minimum and 56mm max flange motors that should meet our spec. If we already knew the frame flange size, we could have entered it. Now, click on the search button and scroll down to see the search results. By clicking on the model number, you'll be able to access the attributes of the motor in the spec. The scroll bars above and below the search results allow you to compare actual attributes of the three motors. You can see from the results that we have both a 56mm and a 42mm motor that matches our specs. We wanted a compact motor with a small frame size, so let's pick the 42mm option. SF2424-10B41. Now you can see the product summary page that shows the matching attributes. From here, you can also check the stock availability on the same page. For instance, Farnell and Distrelec have this motor in stock. As you continue scrolling down, you'll find a section titled Download Data. Here, simply input your name and business email address. Once you've entered it once, it will be saved. You can just pick for future downloads. After clicking the Submit button, you'll be presented with two download options. One for the motor's datasheet, and the other for the CAD file. You can easily collate all the data you need for your project here. I hope you found the video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit motorsandfans.co.uk.